YouTube live streams are great, especially now that you can pin comments in the live stream chat that everyone can see. This is likely going to be one of the simplest tutorials we're going to teach you, but also one of the most powerful. So after you've typed out a message in the YouTube live stream chat and posted it, simply mouse over the message and click the three-dot menu button. One of the options you will now see is the ability to pin this comment, which, when clicked, positions that comment persistently at the top of a live stream chat with a coloured background so that it's pretty much impossible to miss. To unpin the message, simply click the three-dot menu, click unpin. This now places the message back in a live stream chat at the point at which it was posted. This pin tool is not limited to just your own comments either. As the host of a live stream, you can pin any comments from any viewer that posts something in the live stream chat. And this feature isn't limited to just desktop YouTube controls. On a mobile device, you can pretty much do the same thing. Tap on a comment and then pin it so that it persistently stays on screen, whether you are watching the live stream in compact mode or full screen mode if the viewer has the chat function turned on. And just like on desktop, you can tap the pin comment to remove it and then pin another comment if you wish. This looks like a great tool, doesn't it? But the question is, who has access to pinning comments on their live streams? And I'm not 100% sure on the answer. Rather frustratingly, I saw other channels have access to this tool for months before vidIQ got access to it. But I'm assuming now that everybody can use this tool. But if you can't pin comments in your live streams yet, do let us know in the comments below. As I often do, I tried to clarify this over Twitter with Team YouTube, and as per usual, they replied without sufficiently answering the question. I guess we'll all have to stay tuned then. Now then, why is this tool so powerful? Put simply, for you, it is a huge marketing or advertising opportunity, however you want to use it. Your live stream audience often represents your most committed and loyal fans, and you can use a pinned comment to promote other social platforms and or products and services you may even be talking about during a live stream. As an example of this, when we started promoting our free 30-day vidIQ boost trial during our product walkthrough webinars, signups increased for this link by more than 100%. And as an extra pro tip, if you go to the live stream control center, you can pin your own merch to the live stream chat if you have it set up and integrated into YouTube. For those of you who are just starting out on YouTube, pinned comments on live streams is an opportunity for a simple call to action to like the live stream or subscribe to your channel. But for those of you who are already seasoned veterans on YouTube and have built up a large audience and community, this is the perfect opportunity to start maximizing the business aspect of your YouTube channel. Imagine you are a music educator and you're teaching people how to do something relatively simple during a live stream, but then gives you the opportunity to push those viewers onto your dedicated course, which is $25. The amount of income you can earn from that versus super chats and ad revenue, there is no comparison. And that's what most creators start to do on YouTube. They diversify their income revenue streams and maximize them. Of course, we here at vidIQ are here to educate you on that YouTube journey. And for more beginners guides just like this, check out the playlist over here. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your video making day.